everybody, today's exercise is going to be a curtsy lunge with a jack. Low impact, of course. So here we go. I'm going to face this way just so you can see. So our curtsy lunge, our toe goes behind our other leg so it's somewhat lined up. We're going to lunge, stand, the other side, curtsy back. Now when I do my curtsy, my chest is up, my eyes are forward, I'm not rounding my back. So let's try it again. Let's get the curtsy. Foot behind, curtsy, stand up. So the other foot goes behind and past the heel. So I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to take my right foot behind my left. Back here, I'm going to do my curtsy. I'm going to stand. I'm going to face away. Left foot behind, curtsy, stand. Right foot, curtsy, stand. Now we're going to add a jack. Left curtsy. Eyes up, chest up. Right curtsy. Give me a jack. 1, 2. I'm going to face you. Curtsy. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see so I don't get hit my reformer. So let's go curtsy, curtsy, jack, jack. So keep it low impact. You can also do a normal jack. It's totally up to you. Just get your foot position right. So last time, left foot is back. So it should not be right in line with your right foot. It should be past it a little bit. So it's kind of like you're standing on train tracks, right? Give it a go. Add it into your workout. I'm going to be programming it into my on-demand people. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.